Well, people have been asking what's the difference between bail, police bond, or bail, and all manner. So, in the previous section, we talked about police bond. Now we're going to talk about bail. So, what is bail? What law governs bail? So, what do you understand? What is involved, and the like? So, looking at section 123 of the Criminal Procedure Code, it states that section 123, section 1, it says when a person is arrested or detained or appears before or is brought before a subordinate court, as magistrate people as know it, the High Court, the Supreme Court, he may, at any time while he is in custody or at any stage of the proceedings before such court, be admitted to bail upon providing a surety or surety is sufficient in the opinion of the police officer concerned or court to secure his appearance, to be released upon his own or be released upon his own recognizance if such officer or court thinks fit, provided that any person charged with murder, treason, or any other offense carrying a possible mandatory capital penalty, misprision or of treason or treason felony or aggravated robbery shall not be granted bail by either subordinate court, the High Court or Supreme Court, or be released by any police officer. So in this one is where the person may not be granted bail by the court or by the police officer, where they were not as agreed by the police officer. This one says bail has also got condition. So who can get bail? So it's basically anyone arrested and taken to court can apply for bail at any stage. Bail can be granted with sureties or at own recognizance where there's no surety. But this one is where I think you've heard, depending on the issue, where say it's no bail, court has said they pay 20,000 bail, but they do working sureties, all manner of course. So there are conditions that are attached to a bail. It's different from bond is for free when you get from the police station. Before, if the police can prove that they cannot take you to court within 24 hours, they can give you bond, can go for free, but make sure you appear before court when called or when there is still investigation can be called upon. With bail, you're basically been arrested, you're now appearing before a competent court, brought before the court, and it can be applied at any stage, either in the preliminary when the case is starting and the like. You can apply for bail, and the court may advise either you can apply with sureties, or give you the amount, give you the conditions on how much bail is supposed to that bail bond, how much is supposed to cost. I've heard 200,000, some 1 million, some of them 500 kwacha, depending on what the court is saying in their own discretion. So, if the person is charged with murder, treason, these capital offences, no police bond or no police or court can grant bail. So, if you are looking at issues of murder, issues of treason, or any other capital offense, bail cannot be granted. So, we will still more. Then, yeah, always remember that bail and police bond are two different. Bail is where you from court from the police appearing before a court, you can apply for bail if you've been in custody. Police bond, you have been in you're taken into custody, and the court, the police cannot prove that they cannot take you to court within 24 hours to apply for bond. But if you have done a criminal offense, a capital offense like murder, these bigger capital offenses, the police may not give you bond. Yes. Up until next time, it's not the law.